In this video, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT Memory. First, sign into your ChatGPT account and click your profile icon. Open Settings, then select Personalization. Make sure Memory is turned on. Depending on your account, you may also see options to reference saved memories and reference chat history. Turn on the options you'd like to use. Next, start a new conversation and tell ChatGPT something you'd like it to remember. For example, you can say, "Remember that I prefer short answers," or "Remember that I'm learning Python." ChatGPT will let you know when it saves a memory. Now, continue chatting as usual. In future conversations, ChatGPT can use your saved preferences to provide more personalized responses, so you won't have to repeat the same information every time. After that, if you want to see what ChatGPT remembers, go back to Settings, open Personalization, and select Manage Memory. From there, you can review, edit, or delete individual memories, or clear them all if you no longer want ChatGPT to use them. Finally, if you don't want a conversation to affect your memories, use a temporary chat or turn memory off at any time from the same settings menu. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use ChatGPT Memory. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.